I would like to talk a minute about facelifts because it's a very common question which patients often ask. Women and men now, more frequently than ever, come in and are wanting to look younger and more refreshed. And in years past, we have had only surgical options to help the way people looked and to rejuvenate them, to make them look younger. Today, we have an entire spectrum of treatments from non-invasive therapy and Fraxel lasers and filler and Botox up to invasive surgery and facelifts. Many people think that the only thing that they can have done is a facelift when they're 40 years old. And I will tell you that in my opinion, there are very, very, very few women or men in their 40s who really need a facelift. Facelifts really should be reserved for people who need them. A facelift is the most complicated cosmetic surgical procedure which is done today. If it is done in the hands of a true artist, the results are phenomenal. They truly are life-changing, and it will truly make you look 10, 15, or 20 years younger than you look when it's done. However, the skill and artistry that is required to really master the facelift procedure and the overall beauty of the way the patient looks afterwards is not something that all plastic surgeons do the same. Facelifts, more than any other procedure, are like art. When you go to an art gallery to look at art, to buy a piece of art for your home, you don't buy the painting without seeing it. And when you look at paintings, you know subconsciously whether you like the painting or not. You may not understand the technicalities that went into producing that painting. For instance, the brush strokes, the type of acrylic that was used, or the type of style that the artist used, but you know whether or not you like the painting. Facelifts are exactly the same way. There are no two surgeons who do exactly the same facelifts. They are all about sculpting and art. So when you are looking for a surgeon to perform your facelift, look at before and after pictures. Look at the art. That is the only way you will be able to judge whether or not you are going to get the kind of result that you are looking for.